Although slavery was abolished in 1865, this does not stop the fact that nearly 100 years later, hatred and racism would still cloud the skies of America like a thick smog. This is not until August 28, 1963, when Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. stood at the steps of the Lincoln Memorial and delivered his speech, I Have a Dream, to over 200,000 people. This very powerful speech poured out a new hope of equality and gave encouragement to African Americans during the Civil Rights Movement. This speech also painted a picture of what Dr. King's dream for a new America would look like. I Have a Dream was a very well thought out speech, from the tone of Dr. King's voice to the very dramatic pauses he used to connect with his audience. Dr. King's speech was so successful because of the various rhetorical strategies he used to deliver it. Some of these strategies being alliteration, simile, visual imagery, and anaphora. Dr. King used the strategy of a simile when he used the words, "No, no, we are not satisfied, and we will not be satisfied until justice rolls down like waters and righteousness of a mighty river." These words gave Dr. King's speech the life of water and a river, making this phrase very easy to remember. Dr. King gave his speech an element of visual imagery when he used the phrases to describe a bankrupt America, to make the crooked straight, and describing the sweltering summer. These phrases helped to paint the picture of I Have a Dream in the minds of his audience. Dr. King also used the strategy of anaphora. Anaphora is the use of a repetitive phrase to make a key statement. Dr. King done this by using the phrase, I have a dream 8 times, and using the phrase, let freedom ring 11 times in just the last 30 seconds of his speech. In closing, Dr. King's speech was very clear, well thought out, and very easy to understand. This making I Have a Dream such a profound speech that it still resonates today.